Hello everyone, today we are featuring our 2000M 2-in-1 and 4-in-1 video transmission kit. Both model can transmit full HD 1080p at 60 fps, 16-channel audio, RS-232 command signal, streaming data, and tally signal. Traditionally with wireless video transmission kit, only the transmitter will send out signal. With the Wireless Prime 2000M bidirectional signal transmission, the receiver can send RS-232 control signal for PTZ camera control. One of the main challenges for wirelessly broadcasting or recording live events is various signal interferences from both the external environment and other video transmission devices. 2000M kit is more resistant to most of the interferences from the environment. What's more, the entire system can support 2 to 4 cameras working in the same area, without interfering each other. Another big challenge is the unstable signal transmission, which can largely affect the quality of video. The 2000M kit applies the Redundancy Management System, RMS, which is integrated into the receiver, to tackle such challenge. When it is working, one transmitter sends multiple streams of signal to the receiver. With the help of GPU and frame buffer, the RMS can dynamically analyze the current signal quality of each stream, and select the one with better quality as final output signal to the video monitor. If all streams turn to be low quality, the RMS will send a command back to transmitter for channel switching. The entire progress is all real-time, with zero sacrifice in video quality and latency. For more information, please visit cinegears.com.